Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I'll show you guys how to speed up your Windows 11 PC. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you just need to right click on your start menu and click on settings. Also you can left click on start menu and you will get settings button over there. So now what you have to do after get this window, you just need to go to privacy and security. So click over there. Now go under general tab and disable all these things. Now again go to the privacy and security, go to speech and disable speech. Now go to privacy and security and disable all the settings which I am going to show. So just location I don't need. Camera, if you have a camera in your laptop or PC, then you can enable this option, or else you can disable this option. So I don't have any camera or like webcam, so I will disable this option. So now microphone and voice activation, you don't need to change anything. Notification, you just need to disable it from here, and after that go to contacts, disable it, and account info, you can disable it from here. After that phone calls, you need to disable. Then go to call history, need to disable. Then if you are using email client on your computer, then you can enable this option, or else you can disable it. Now task, disable it. Messaging, disable. Radios, disable. File download. App diagnostic, this option you have to disable. Now the next option is you just need to go to your search menu and type over there sysdm.cpl. After that press enter. Now you have to go to the advanced settings over there and click on settings. Now here you have to click on adjust for best performance, and after that click on apply, then okay. Basically it will turn off your graphical mode, so you have to just disable this option. And after that you just need to go to your search menu once again. Now type over there taskmgr, or you can type over there task manager. Now click on task manager application. Now click on startup. So here is my all the application which is enabled on my startup. So you just need to disable it one by one, which is not required on your startup. So Microsoft OneDrive I don't need, so I will disable this one. Epic Games Launcher, I will disable this one also. Cortana I don't need, you see it is already disabled as you can see. So CC I don't need, AddUp I don't need, and so that's it. So now you just need to restart your computer and it will speed up your computer. So let me know in the comment section if it is works for you. So I'll be back with another one. Till then, bye bye, take care.